This is the fiber that brings the world to life and the fuel that keeps it burning. This is the spark we trust when failure isn't an option. Whether you're a prepper, adventurer, hunter, or barbecue enthusiast, from the backyard to the backcountry, Pyro Putty is the easiest, most efficient, non-toxic fire starter on the market. A patent-pending blend that sticks to anything, lights in seconds, and burns for up to 15 minutes with a single quarter-sized dab. When failure to light means failure to live, Pyro Putty is 100% waterproof and windproof, making it the most reliable fire starter for survivalists, preppers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With proprietary blends created for optimal burns and temperatures ranging from -10 to 100 degrees, there's a blend for every situation, warming the most bitter environments and fueling unforgettable moments. Lithium-ion rechargeable lighters and ferro rod survival kits are available to throw the spark. Pyro Putty is here to catch it. Whether in a survival kit or your kitchen drawer, it's a system you can rely on when you need it most. So here's to the pyromaniacs, the grill masters, and the adventurers, the men and women who choose to make the wild their home. We exist so that you can live, and our passion is for you to chase yours.